What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make high quality YouTube thumbnails on your smartphone. If you're new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get all the awesome videos like this. Without wasting more time, let's get straight to it. Go to the Play Store and download the app called Thumbnail Maker. Once you download the app, open it and then select Create New. On this Thumbnail Maker, you can do a lot of stuff. You can add different kind of text. You can add your own background image. You can add PNG pictures. You can do 3D text writing. There's a lot of stuff you can do on the app. When you finish editing your videos, you don't even need to resize it. It's already resized perfectly for your YouTube videos. All you do is save the picture and then export it to Creator Studio and add it on your YouTube video. You need to remember that your thumbnail is the one that brings people to your video. If you have a very good thumbnail, you'll have a high click-through rate, you'll get a lot of views, which will turn into long-term subscribers.
On the prize, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. Get
air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.